In aerospace engineering, we learn about the aviation principles, and we can earn up to 3 college credits from WestyVCA. One of the cooler projects we get to do in aerospace engineering is a weather balloon launch. We partner with NASA and design and build multiple scientific experiments on Arduinos that we send up to the very edge of space. Our last launch went up to 100,000 feet.
In drone operations and robotics, we build, program, and fly our very own drones. We get to earn our Part 107 commercial drone operations license and college credit through Barton College. In drone soccer, we got to compete in the very first drone soccer league competition in the US. We get to build and pilot our drones going against other schools in Colorado to try and win the championship.
Wolves on 3. 1, 2, 3.